Hey everybody, I got another Pop in the Box video for you. So this is Pop in the Box for August. So yeah, lately I've been getting the Jurassic Park ones, so let's hope this is another Jurassic Park, because I think there's like 3 or 4 still left in the set. So yeah, I already popped the tape. I have not looked. And let's see, Pop in the Box, August. Oh, no way. No way. Get it out, get it out, get it out. My favorite. Okay. Oh no, now they got bubble wrap. Okay, a sec, gotta put it down. Oh, yay. My favorite. Favorite character. Dr. Ian Malcolm. Jeff Goldblum. Isn't that awesome? He's got his shades on. He's got a little medallion around his neck. I didn't notice that in the movie. Now I'm going to have to rewatch it and see it. But yeah. There's Dr. Ian Malcolm. He's awesome. He's going to be at Fan Expo this year in Toronto. So I'm hoping to get his autograph. Get to meet him. Awesome. This is Dr. Ian Malcolm. Jurassic Park 25th anniversary. That is awesome. So yeah, there's the whole set. Be cool to get John Hammond. And then I just got the three dinosaurs. So I'm going to leave it on my wish list. And hopefully I'll get the whole set. Hopefully. Just the thing is, with Fan Expo coming up, do I buy them at Fan Expo or do I wait? I don't know. I'll have to see. But if I buy them at Fan Expo, I'm going to make sure I take them off my list. So yeah, isn't that awesome? So we got Dr. Ian Malcolm, Dr. Alan Grant, and Dennis. Isn't that cool? That's cool. 3 great months. Pop in the Box. Jurassic Park. Awesome. So yeah. So that is Pop in the Box for June, July, and August. Awesome. Later.